Hi, it's Kazue. I'm gonna be trying out some nail art items and some other stuff in this video. I have been seeing these items like this on social media, and I've been wondering if they are really practical or not. I'm gonna try these rings in this video. I'm partnering with Temu on this video. They are offering a promo code for new Temu app users, and that's going to give you a coupon bundle worth $100 and 90% discount on 3 selected items on this video. Okay, let's get started. First up, metal nail art accessories. I spent some time sorting them. So they come in silver and gold, 5 different designs and 5 of each. Each of them is slightly curved. It fits my thumbnail perfectly, but the other nails, the curve is not curved enough. I wonder if I can bend it with pliers or something. I could make similar designs with clay gel and chrome powder, but buying them is so much easier. Next up, twist pens. You can put liquid or cream in it. Similar items are available at Japanese 100 yen stores, but they are cheaper from Temu. A brush top, a body, and a cap is one set. I'm going to put jojoba oil in it for my nail care. I'm filling it as much as possible, but if you put it too much, it overflows. Putting the brush top in is kind of difficult. You wouldn't want to damage your nails when you are assembling something good for your nails. So I wrapped it with a towel and pressed it really hard. With a clicking sound, I was able to seal it. I'll figure out how to refill it after I use all the jojoba oil in it. The brush feels so nice. I really wanted to try this. To be honest, I thought this would look much cheaper looking, but it looks decent actually. I love it. You can adjust the size a little bit, but it fits perfectly on my middle finger. My middle finger nail art happens to be perfect for this design. I can bend my fingers no problem. Next item is for swatches. You can color it and put it on gel nail bottle cap. I got this clear one from Temu before, and I can use a white one for sheer colors. Or any colors, really. Lint-Free nail wipe pads. Oh my gosh, it feels so soft. It's got dotted lines so it tears so easily like this. Yeah, it feels so nice and soft. I love it. I think I'm going to use it to clean nail stamping plates. Because it's so soft, you can clean well between the skin and the nail. Next item is wrist cuffs. I bought them for my nail pictures. I'm gonna use them for fake long sleeves, like this. Well, this doesn't bother me at all, but the elastic part is a little bit too big for me, for my wrist at least. But they are suggesting this style, so I guess it's okay. Okay, this item is 90% off with the promo code. It has nothing to do with nail art. Well, for me, it does. When I design nail art, I always use small cut scrap paper, so I have wanted to get a paper cutter badly. The blade doesn't lower unless you push it down. Whoa! You can cut up to 16 sheets of paper with this. I feel really comfortable using it up to 10 sheets actually. It looks pretty heavy, but it's not. It's pretty lightweight. This is 90% off. And this is another 90% special offer. 12 rings. I bought these for photo shoot and video filming. I want to use a ring that matches my nail color. The size is adjustable. It will be fun to coordinate with your outfit too. So this set is also 90% off with a promo code. Another set of rings. Well, you can't expect too much from these rings. You know, 12 rings for less than $2. I'd say smaller ones look nicer than bigger ones. But I can't complain really. Some of them are size adjustable and some of them are not. I was able to wear all of them. I got them for photos and videos as well. I can select matching colors for my nail colors. When I looked at this on Temu's app, I thought, who would wear all the rings at one time? And I'm doing it. It's kind of fun to figure out which ring fits which finger. Wow, too many rings, but I like it. And this is another 90% off item. It would look like this. I'm going to use it for filming nail art. I don't want to put another item on the table since my table is already cluttered. I guess you could use this item on the bedside. You could use your phone without holding it with your hand. I couldn't find any assembling guide with it, but somehow I figured it out. I'm unscrewing the bolt and I'm gonna split the end. Now I'm gonna put it on the joint. It's almost done. This joint moves with clicks. This is where you put your phone on. I can't attach it as it is. When I do something like this, I hate it when I damage my nail. Well, this time I didn't damage any nails. Ta-da! This is a table I always work at for nail art. Of course, I clean it for filming this. All the stuff is over there. By the way, most of this video was filmed like this. It's great, I have so much space now. Remember, this is also 90% off with the promo code. Next up is also a ring. This is so cute, I love it. But unfortunately, it's not available on the app anymore. You can adjust the size. My dominant hand nail art tends to be simpler than the other hand, so I can spice up with this. I bought another set of nail stickers, but I never owned something like this before. They are so simple but very useful. You can use them vertically like this. As for my nails, the shape is ballerina, so I can use a sticker parallel like this to the tip of the nail. I bought this beautiful nail set as well, but again this is not available on the app. Well, if you find really interesting, put it in the cart and check it out. I can wear this ring when my nail is chipped or damaged. This set includes 8 pieces, and considering the sizes, there's nothing for the thumbs. You can adjust the size. I didn't put it on the middle finger because I have a rhinestone on it. Look at this. Wow, it's so cool. I think I can wear this upside down as well. I thought they would come off accidentally, but they are pretty stable. One thing though, when you go to the bathroom, make sure toilet paper doesn't tangle on it. Another set of rings, and they are also not available on the app. I'm hoping to use them as sub-rings and for filming. Oh, they look shinier than I expected. I'm still wearing the silver ones. It's a little hard to pick something up with the index finger. Well, the gold one's much better with the nail art now. Next item. Stickers for nail display board. I don't have any display board, but I'm going to use them to store my handmade press-ons. I really like the tabs here. I can peel it off really easily. The length is perfect too. Nail stamping plates. I couldn't find them on the app at the moment. I love nail stamping, especially word ones. They are adorable, so cute. I'm gonna use them in 11 months. But there are some designs that I can use anytime in the year. More rings. I put them in the cart the moment I saw the design. This looks so cool. It's a French manicure. It perfectly fits with my ring finger. It cuddles my finger. It's so cute. I love this butterfly design very much. I'm not usually a butterfly person, but this one, I like it. It looks like a bow. This one is really simple, but I like it too. They look so nice. Scissors? No, They are pliers. They are supposed to be used for fishing. I don't know how they are supposed to be used for fishing though. I'm trying not to use my nail tips so much in my daily life, so these pliers are really useful. When I was trying to put it back on the ring, I noticed something. I didn't need pliers. Well, never mind. I've seen a similar item at 100 yen stores, but these pliers look more practical to me. This is the last ring I bought this time. This is meant for the little finger. Adjusting the size is a little bit difficult, I think. Oh, it fits perfectly. It doesn't fall. It's so beautiful. I like it. This is a magnet wand for magnetic gels. The magnetic force is not that strong, I think, so this makes wonder if it works well or not. I'm gonna try it with a gel from a 100 yen store, but it was actually 330 yen. Oh, it works well. Let's figure out which way is the best. Wow, it looks perfect. Now I'm gonna try it with an air-dry magnetic polish. Because it dries so quickly, I have to settle the magnetic particles quickly as well. It's working! It looks great! Alright, so this was my first Temu haul in 2025. So if you still haven't downloaded the app, please use this promo code. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!